show me. Facha me send me video recording. Otia audio na pia bonten na wo hwe ensem apia free mu ba ya. Na me bisa me ho say e ba ne sei. Ana wo hwe din na pia free sa audio sunu mu no a. Are very great names. Apia free sa audio sunu mu. Enkwala na di asofo. Enkwala na di asofo achi no. Esa asofo mu di pia sa audio sunu mu nya no. Enkwala mo hwe mu yi. How come say Okonfo protected the kingdom of God? In a way, say what you and Zambia pay free. Na glad that you buy no. Na ayansema so powerful to the stand they say. Nipa bi wana just was sorry tia Ghana asofo. Wa family sibia enipa betima come no atum. Not to tarnish any name. I am man of God. Fantastic job. So uti audio sunu mu nsensem ba ko mienu miensa no a mante konfo bia din e wo audio num mante konfo bia din e wo audio na ye den epie num edi amete ye asofo nko a ebi asofo ni bi won mo din ba pie mu no a ebi asofo ko oni mo hwe kra ebi anu obi na di ni din akwakọ kansem amenne apie free na agrada no Timesre sen kola na ya mudi dia sofo achi no monya very careful na se mo kan sem bia monwini se mo ne mpanifo anenam enti mo kan sem bia monya very careful sa audio we say ya pia bonten eye nei eye audio a adi na grada asem amana kese ko sa audio we say enya audio na yesen ke pia bonten eye audio a enya se ke pia bonten because ensem bia wo mu no I vindicated to say a clear na grada in a way. So I said nipa bi din boni, e nipa bi dininya, wa ye nipa bi papa, am nipa bi de boni atua neka. And she was talking out of pains. Now I was so glad say me tie audio no. Ma hu ba bia na grada. Tasani nsem o ka ken ma hu ba bia tase what you say. I said she was talking out of pains. Say nsem na ekoso no. Say I no kra say anya no kra de e ba bonti am me tie no tie mu nsem yi a honestly Ghana sofo nyina nkwala na de omu akini ya mo hwe nkwala ni yi akra o esim say ase omu yusu mu din ama mu din ya ba form in a way sa audio we say anya audio na ese nka pia bonten a pia bonten ama utie audio na in a way egu asofo no animu ase and some na pia mo nyansam a eya nsam na ese sa asem we say pia bonten. This audio should have been a coded audio. Asofo ni akonfo na enkom asofo ni konfo ana utietie nsam na pia film na one way or the other it looks like say as a expose eniema bia kan nsam fata sen ke pia bonten. Me pesa me dig so much into the audio, me dig so much into the audio. I don't think that it's gonna speak well of some people. I don't want to go there. Audio we say, ama nana grada, and somewhere ba na nseni ni amaniema baba yi. A clear niema bebre bia mama me na ma say, in a way. Oh my goodness. My goodness. We as well. Papa ye ya. Enti so ya papa mo obi na se nipa na mfa papa ntua o ka na so de money na etua o ka a very painful pa utie na grada ansem na wo ka na e wo audio sunu mu a very sad asa audio we say nipa o record ye no wa nwe ankwachiri audio we say nya audio a ese nke pia bonten de nam ne so ama asa audio we kodi blogger bia ansem were disappointed the name that appeared in the audio highly very bad. I am very bad. Man take comfort back credit. Man take comfort back credit. Say and some of the podium ne no credit. And you be an grada a programmer. I am no credit say asofo coachino. Say can we can say sha can say sha. and some na PM no edi bi na tete e no kura sa ense ebi an midi kan say asofo nbo won mo ensem na PM no ebu okura na wo be kom na sa asofo no kura bi kura na onya we see yedi ni die do that level enkwara na di asofo achi no say de say enkwara na ha asofo no me hu bi da wa ko di say enkomo we say abranti a record yi I don't know say Andy na record ya Andy ni na agrada kan Andy na record voice no ana Andy toma obi voice no erane 4 people nsem Andy na record ye ana Andy toma obi ana obi ne so toma obi ana sa obi ne so ye den etoma obi ana ne sa voice we den epia bonte a me no me nyina den yenya bia yetie very sad as far as Christianity is concerned. This voice shouldn't have come out. This voice shouldn't have come out. Voice will say I'm vindicating and agrada in a way. If you will agree with me, this voice has vindicated Nana Grada in a way. I say, Ama and Sembi a pia, Menumia Runina Yantie. I expose you in Sembia, Menumia Runina Day, Yantie. Anna a dimini the name of Christians in a way. Man take comfort back di ewo conversation no of course man take comfort back di. What is going on? Now say no kura say asofo no nkwada ni binom ani asofo no abia na the information man na agrada 24/7 na. Why should it be so? Asofo mi busema asem o asofo nkwada mi busema asem eba ne say na comfort watimeti asofo nsem bebre sa. A very disgrace and very shameful to the Christian community. Sa comfortability a Christopher and Sembe Brebesa acted to the hardcore. A very shameful. Some voice when your voice yes come di pia bontin. A very disgrace to the Christian community. Very bad. Utie the way na grada kasana. She sounds so confident in the way say enyama e twaguo ni nsam e koba nyina no. It's like I say, why you comfort? But so for why should it be so? Why you comfort? But so for why should it be so? Very painful, very bad. You might not get me right. You might not get me right. But I'm telling you the gospel fact. A wrong time and a wrong audio at this crucial time. As an audio, no, I expose you or no one. In a way, audio no expose you or no one kasan in a way. Why I say comfortability as of one sem, whether true or false. Why should it be so? Why would the ATM catch you say, Nana Grada no ni great in our no? Asofo ne nkwada ni bi na omotwa wo ho ahia no they are digging their own grave. Audio we ayo audio asin ke pia bonten. Audio we say enye audio asin ke pia bonten. We say no ho ya tremu bibia ya nya boa kwase o nya kwase ade sa mama ngege nkurase ne mani bi no. Eni ti na obi a wodi ngege chi wan ha be the rest of your life. Come 2 points back ma o kai pe. Eso samba life. Who's a man a cramming? Every day, my life and Honton. And Chamedy who he so shall see. But someone 10 years may be a cinema who near may be say. We are Yaminipa. Now, take it, and you may be not a wood tear audio here, Bob on Tia. Now, tear and somewhere peer free audio more. Just be honest to yourself. Call a spade a spade. Where should I say audio here, Babontin, Aboa? Amwa. And favor Christ and Colana Chum when she are when you're very careful with them. No more who say, and Colani Muamo and Colani help him in any way. And Colani Gumu anymore. Because and Colani convey the correct message out there. Omokwa, I would Omoka. And I'm quite one of my Sunday. I can't have me say, Ebasa all the time na creative problem. Na creative problem. Just listen to the audio well. Nyambotira na to boase. Na tie audio ni ye pan. I am very disgraced. So me kasa me digest this audio. Na kasa me bono baako. Me bono makasa me bono makasa. Anye me wie no. Enipa bebre ebi do amsa begu omuti. Kwa nsam apiepie audio no no. Aya nsam a ada de clear me ehunu niam e koso na na agrada as far as na agrada e concern no. Ame ehu ba bia niam e koso ene nsam e ko ye baaye ba bia free baaye. Enipa utieti audio no na say oh God of Israel. Hey! Nipa enamre so e man sa audio we say bia bonten wa more Christian community. I'm telling you the gospel fact. That person has cleared Nana Grada in a very fantastic way. Audio we say enya matured audio that needs to be out there at this time. Enya matured audio at all. Menadao. Enya matured audio at all. Very bad audio. I may think he say, why should this audio be out? And then some people create a popping up from the mouth of from the tongue of Nana Grada. Some more you be and come by man say bia. What the good Nana Grada anymore see and then you can say that content never can taking it off. Nan come munya be and come by look say and then Nana Grada when you bet rather no audio so pia bonten or confua or pay means here as software you go when you must see any pass sorry agina. Omugu asofo ani mu ase wetima fani means ya obetime dia shut them down in order not to spoil the name of men of God in Ghana. Na mashama sa punches when saying are remaining in the audio. I'm not clear na grada no. What's a manya smart in a way? Audio no me baba manya smart. Kasa audio we say no. Kamoya na say kamoya very smart in a way say. Si apasi aguma me nani mu ase a Mamma said, "Be our audio no. I am someone what can they boa suffer." And you see, I see a good mamma and said, "Yeah, let's take off this part of the audio. Let's take off this portion of the audio." But you got it there. A Pia Bontiama, a real man saying, you know, we say, "Confounded do edo nyamesomo ne broso, etin akom na wo kom no." Now, conform ben and Kobana is so protecting the kingdom of God. Conform ben. Apart from Nana Grada. Conform ben no beka say or protected the kingdom of God. As of one nene come, Ebia said it. Still, she's trying to protect them in a way. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And so they just imagine such a person. Such a person. Why do you have to? You don't even have to hate her. Asamba kupa metin audio no. A decline any bad utterances about audio. For the fact is that I grad at me and no car say a branch here be a wogu a software anymore. Me make means to be said. Mekana no to me said ya beya onwu a software anymore. Na me kind so wetie me ne na kasa am wetie. Enti on sorry so begu a software anymore. O take one or two things so ampa. It has worked. It has worked. Enti nipa o ti say ya wa boa nyamesom in a way comfort and yes software fight yama Christian kingdom. Comfort Ghana software fan a fan of home omokosa. Ebani si abaka se bia software bi do chiakai and be do no modomo. Obia no nya wadi se software bia do we ase abai me kan kra kire wo. Da sambe to na be say yes. Sa software e bi ekotoku sa mobe. Ya kwa tifi kwa huru nsuo. Ni asamba na afo ni asamba be bisa. Sa kotoku sa mo ba software ni bi no. Usia bia you just have to be very careful. That is what that I can tell you. You just have to be very careful. Kotoku Samobe, men of God. Stay away from them. Say comfort to me Gina in a way to protect the kingdom of God. What else? What else? Say comfort to me Gina such a way to protect the kingdom of God. What else? Other thing I see a time comfort. Catch me. You don't have to. Just say, I'm amazed. I saw me palm, tea and 7 1. A peer free audio no. Hey. Talo bompaya kind na grada wati. The heart is very pure for just oh checking your mana. Ne heart no and too pure for the ministry. And I can't wait the day I met to say sin na grada afa Bible. I can't wait for that day. Sa audio we say your audio me pan na me sabe so audio bi ati same. Ana me tie audio na e bia me tan agrada. Anka who is talking? Nipa na okasa, what is the rapport between one na agrada no? The communication. Sa nipa na one na agrada kasa na. E dia be nsem no work fast off ho. E dia be nsem no work na no pa wi ani anwumere e fast off ho. Aye no kre. Ana obodi tim no work nsem. Ana he's telling the gospel truth. And some be okafa sofo bi hono when you wamu ye and that's one or conjure staffs just to make it a story for people to believe. We are no cry ba kope na ya no cry sabe ya nipa baje no cry ya na edine sometimes anything na say o we are na see enipa tan obi too much na no wa check say e nipa e debate ni tan no. When they just look at someone like Jamanfo Baba we mamingege of fefe ni twetire asofo ne meme. Just look at such a person, such a stupid lady like that. Na wonam wiase na odidi wi ano de na no twitwiri fom. Such a person what see eboni din antim say e jimi nti ne de ye eboni din. Obi like say na ho tan. Ba mu atantan a ase o jimi akra. Ase e say maslow na akra ma no. Person o simu ankasa. Concert boy no, small boy no. Oshe enipa bi say na o chake ni ma bi say they are too low to the stand say we enipa bi a wo pe wasumdua a man these people and get it close to you. It's a fact. Take hatred out of it. I'm telling you the gospel fact. Take hatred out of it. Now check your audio ye pia bontin ba ye. Busa won say e de ba ntina sofo so woni konfo okokra a Christopher ani agye. Nanka enyo ma reho se kasundwe beba sofo ne konfo ntem. We a Christian adagene ho. Sa ade na sofo ani beje. Se bia ne nyonko sofo ene konfo okon e de beti na bema sofo ani agye. Cause konfo ne wo sumu already. E wo se a twene ba han mu e de beti ne ene ne ko. Ne emfa odonhia no Paul ye bi. Woni a konfo ko bom ko to nsa didi ye. Wono nyina san gro ye se wo kombi. Ofi ono a convert a lot of a konfo no. Amama ba enyamsomfo asofo e wo Ghana adan yensua Paul ho nsem ona entidie be enti na bia be se wonu asofo ene konfo anyantokwa na wo mpa asomdue se asomdue ba asofo ne konfo ntem na ba asomdue na bia wototo atuogum ewiase nipa e nipa abufu ho. There is nothing wrong say bia sofo ne konfo benya bufuo but wo a wo gina kire so we are Christian, so we are sofo. A dear body now by ye, dear so jebeba, conform the soft one tem. That is my question. That is my question. To this one checking you may be here. When you know who swore, then you may be a day, a beat you. When you know, so then you may be a bit too. Shall you hear Pia Bontina? A man for account someone, or be a bobby, I would tear or do you someone. To boissy, Netia and someone and I grad that kind of bakumi and numian son. Put hatred aside. Netia and someone and I grad that kind of sa or do you, and it the way and the feeling. Just tension or the casa, ni pains are not the casa. Netia and some the peer free and no pine. Not a tennis, Srania Bassa. A toda. I was sent to Quaba, any party yesterday. Na santo kwa NCSA obia we utie me fasua de na check ni ma bi na tete ne sre ne ambasa oda wo mpaso a na wo de fagene wa said anema ne koro no na utie audio we say mu nsem a hey I have very serious audio I have very serious audio. Dia nam so ma sa audio we say about am so man tie audio na nkwachiri yankoku na agrada enti amfa audio we say ma metato hey Andy so na record sa audio we say ya Andy, I mean, yes, was a wow, wow. Wow. Wow, that be yes, was wow. And Kasa audio was saying, now when did you come up or record a crying? Now when I record your automano, Nipa auto voice in a man, one advice you ye, and a Cody baby, and a San Cody baby, and a San Cody baby. Catchy, that man. I don't want to go there. Ebiana, you were forced to do that. Huh? Baby, I don't know. Obi obana just wo gine wa chia pian. You're very careful. Now one foul life one to chacha e Ghana. E mo obi e me pian da. Now one foul life and to chacha e Ghana. Well here obe push ya no wate wa wani mu nsem bia wo kan ade fa nipa bi ho. Ade fa sofo bi ho. Aya bi kura okura wonim. Na pia bonten na the problem kese na de abrew. Obeje wo ba bia wutimi because e yasemu a emu odu e pia bonten a utira anye yi a obenu maduro. You're very careful. Babia e bia wa pem ne makwa koduro no mane nso ha. Ye pekwan e befa so a asomdue be den e beba. Emfa ho nkonkoto amaniem. Ema e bia wadim na so bia wadum asem bia piama. What ha kwa ya ma bed? What ha ya ma bed? Everybody nyakopon. Hi. Sa audio we say enye audio na e was say pia bonten. Audio we enye audio na sin ke pia bonten that because em say audio no omo won saka omo antie ne yi. Na wanya audio na a very important names like this. Apie piem as far as important names no any comfort tio very important names like this appear in a line with a comfort na ma allow such an audio na pia bonten. What are you doing to the Christian community? Disgrace, big disgrace. Everybody na the Christian community no big disgrace. I thought that it's only a fool who doesn't know how to choose his battle. Audio like this shouldn't be out. A good Christian community anymore. You might think say be a who good and glad anymore in a way, but no, you failed. This audio should have been kept coded. Obetibe dia mama eni pom di piem say bia omuntie bi. No mutie na bi omo hwe. Ne bia omo yoka omo yo kwansem we piem we nya sem a we nya big deal case we say case we say a case bia audio ensem pie ya say adofo to omo ho ase a kombetima solve the back door for peace to reign. No audio we nya audio na esen ke pia bonten ama edin pie na me shame ana madi kan say so fo bu okura be konkura na wonim mpokura say ya de ni din bo gig e baby na mama edin akese entide audio bi apie na edin akese entide apie piem na ma nwene ho na mama audio esi ababonten mo anamo so a man say audio we ba abonten no obia 6 lashes of Cain ese mi gwamachi pa one namo so a man Saudi we say pia bontin pia ese mi gomachi mu ku Christian kingdom na nimu ase ama mo de comfort nya ntokwa na say audio we say obi a record audio we say busa ho say nipa na record audio ne ba de be nti ana bia onya abufu record ma me so de brew okodan ka de be ka na okodan my traso a meka kama meka nse bia me mpese me dey meka Timesre, me papa no masofo. Ya amanya very careful with nkwara na atwa ho ahia no. Ya mama trust o bebre sa ebi wokwa amada na nkwara ne de mumudin e bogek no mo de semudin na mudin akopia nti munya odo obi se ya na nka mapekwan befa so amubenya somdue mawanya maje se bia muba keep audio no coded e de create problem no emwa audio we se pia abonten enye fe se asofo akesefo din be pie audio bi ati se mu which one enye se e bia ne Duncan Williams enye se bia ye ne Mensa Otabel. And you say we just mention big names nibi. And you say be a Bishop Charles Palmer Bako. And you say just name the big names. Na yani konfo. And you konfo be mo konfo ba. Yani ba na yani konfo ba. And then yan to kwase. Na sa konfo ba na so pe means bia Christian kingdom benya peace. Our sa audio kro no amu. Enti ya de be tikura nanka say ya sofo a e be tikura na ya secure fight such a person cause all fight man in a way. Enti ya de mum ye nyai no. Ya mpe kwa bia be fa so ye betimi aben no a obetimi ado nyamesom ne ye kon betimi ado no ne ye nyina be som nyame baako. E de beti ne ye say fight no na ye pia ne kro na otena ne bosom nsem. E de ba ne be ya ye ho be na kono as far as Christianity are concerned. Not this way. Audio we say has vindicated Nana Agradaa in a very fantastic way. And I don't think say Sabi Nipa na so man say audio we say Pia Bonte. I don't think say Nipa no or think it twice. And I don't think say this audio would have been out. Obi etimi yam from so next time when your audio be a ya monwene ho kakra ansam we say impact no hwan so na be kro. Unya audio be say na say opeso de ba so be just think about the impact, the implication. Just think about the implication and find a way to solve problems. How can you quench the fire? It cannot work. Get a cold water to quench fire. Just say I said Nana Agradaa nipa na Nana Agradaa down for no. Afa means be asan a presino in a way. Konfo but utie nsem okeka kan na. She's more than a prophet, a prophetess. Because she's trying to protect the kingdom of God. Okay, no wonder. Okay, I've understand it that way. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Or soft heart for the Christian kingdom. Or a friend Pekwe Befaswa, Yebenya Sumji, our brain denina. And Crofo and Tokwaba no the poor Madrid. More ignore my software. And Kwana Cham Weshian. So we have na kwadabia ompe wasumjie na da be ope problem around you. Think about it before it's too late. That means sure the name still remains the unpredictable Amancrado. Great Nana Agradaa for life. Mesra Nyankopon boss roba asase say omfa sumjie mu odene. Enwura Nana Agradaa ne obia ohuni se oye ne tamfo bia entem. Mama ne kita very clean heart but nipa nse dan huni ye. It means will be tiny and said that mama. But when the person get to know her, I know definitely say a better. It's Rankan Yankopon boss Robasasi, and Asian count Pepdonko, and Asian count BJ, and Asian count Prince, and Asian can nipa Bia or Dosronko, Edema Nana Agradaa, and Asian count Peter Anochi, and Asian can nipa Bia or Peppa Edema Nana Agradaa, nipa Bia on pen Nana Agradaa asem. Minimisa Brenner Beso Penasem. Sabe, si ya no obi ni somba kumu en chase en tan no. Okwan ba na e be fa so e betima convince no. I like some strong spirit to be our Muslim for ho. I like that thing. Some Muslim ni pese oba be som mano a. Odoso nko ni address nko oba ya ma wo no. O tentasi oto no so omuwa. Opo no omuwa. Tese oba make sure say woni ne be som e som ba ko. That is one thing I like about the Muslims. I always say a time will come. Christians will find this way. So the baby to me improve the Christian community no. The shady may be a cause and to queer cost one or Peruvian men say Yana Amancrado. I get baffled. Mesre said Brady Bedu, Sanima was saying in our day. Ebe Chana Ghana, a friend say Christian country no. A betima enlighten home. Yan so can you find Sakurasi, ye disisro. Said the baby to me as name. Amani wo twam bia ohusum no odu hor ma say han ne betimi ato no so. They said yes a Christian community it looks like say ya so kane abed ya shekodo ase. Why? Obanyansafo ebu ne be yanka na sem. The name still remains the unpredictable Amancrado. Macrao. Great Nana Agradaa for life.